Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Everything is everything.
We just got back from the Waco Police Academy, and as you know, that's quite a long drive, but we're still ready to rumble. It's about 12:30 at night for us right now, but we don't know what time zone it is for you guys. We're gonna get straight to these hot topics.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Starting it off with...
Our first hot topic is with Lady Gaga. So Lady Gaga went on Instagram Live and she was crying about how there was thunderstorms near her concert and so she could not continue.
Hi everybody. Thank you so much for coming to the Chromatica Ball, and we really tried. Even when the rain sort of stopped, there was lightning that was striking right down to the ground.
Is this what you want? Come on, strike me down, Zeus. You don't have the ball.
What are your thoughts on this, IK?
There are thunderstorms everywhere. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Beyonce and Oprah surprise Cheryl Lee Ruth after the Emmy win.
Oprah's enormous bouquet of flowers caught Cheryl Lee off guard when they were delivered to her on the Abbott Elementary set.
Congratulations on the best acceptance speech of all time. I'm still celebrating you. Blessings, Oprah! I'm gonna hire a truck to take it home.
Beyonce also sent these gorgeous flowers with a card calling her the original dream girl, and now to Cheryl Lee's Broadway past.
What are your thoughts on this, IK?
You know, Miss Cheryl Lee has been getting a lot of praise, and hey, I appreciate it. Keep on playing. We're glad that you're winning, and hey, we'd love to be in one of your next films.
Exactly.
Let's get into our next hot topic.
So Kaley Cuoco and Pete Davidson have a new movie coming out that's airing on Peacock called Cute Clip.
You ever had a night like this ever in your entire life?
No, sir, not me.
So what do you think about this, IK?
This is a thumbs down for me, and the reason why is because PCP still looks like he has the dead bags under his eyes. I've seen the trailer. They've tried to rig him up, put him in a suit, make him look different.
Warren Sanchez mustache.
Exactly. It's a thumbs down for me. He should have stayed with Kim.
Hey, yo, what the
Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have instead of eating McDonald's, 7-foot-tall NBA legend claims Michael Jordan was capable of much more if only he took care of his health. What are your thoughts on this, IK?
If you're 7 foot tall, you're gonna be eating a lot. This is a thumbs down for me. Eat what you want, just work out in moderation. Let's get into our next hot topic.
For our next hot topic, we have Johnny Depp may not want to return to the Pirates of the Caribbean 6, but he's certainly game to go full on for Captain Jack Sparrow.
What? No, dude!
What are your thoughts, IK?
I don't know what he means by not going into the actual film, but I agree with him on this one. I congratulate you. You should be getting some rest, especially after that long trial with Amber Heard. Johnny Depp, we see nothing but praise for you.
Exactly. IK and I will be in the next Pirates of the Caribbean, so you don't have to worry about it. We'll keep the Jack Sparrow franchise warm for you.
That's right. Let's get into our next hot topic.
This is our next and our final hot topic for today. We have Jon Hamm. Jon Hamm calls out Erika Jayne over earrings drama. They were never yours. Apparently Erika Jayne hesitated to give back her $7,500,000 earrings.
This is a thumbs down. Who cares about the earrings? These were all of our hot topics, but we're actually nominating someone else for the She's Hot contest winner for today, and that is the real life Barbie. You know, Dr. Ross, we came across her page not too long ago, and I'd say she is not only scandalous, but she's living her dream to the full extent.
Exactly.
Congratulations on your win. The next time we're in LA, let's take you out for lunch, brunch, and dinner.
That's right. And before we close it off, we always want to mention that we always have our Jamaican hair products and shampoo. It comes with this gel. You can find it on our website right here, JamaicanShampoo.com, and they're selling like hotcakes. So make sure to grab yourself one before they sell out soon.
And we also have the Jamaican clothing line.
That's right, and the Jamaican sandals in case you want to throw on some comfy flip-flops that were made by hand. And they're amazing. They give you the Rasta style.
Yes, all of the links are in the link in the description below. So if you'd like to purchase, you can go to our link, or you can message us at our Instagram, which is also in the link in the description below. But our shampoo works on all hair types.
That's right. And we also, again, we're mentioning our movie scripts because IK and I are still working on the Personals.xyz. Like we told you guys, it's coming up to a wrap now, so contact us if you are a talent and you're looking to get into the film industry. IK and I will look over your headshots and resumes, email it to us here.
And we're also looking for soft money investors.
That's right.
So if you're looking to be a part of something bigger, send us a message at our Instagram or email, both right here and on the link in the description below.
Exactly, because we have 25 movie scripts that are ready to go, and IK and I are moving at full pace. So we're going to keep pumping out these movies as fast as possible. We're also still working on our children's books, so we have 21 children's books right now, and I'm still writing more children's books. So if you have a child at home that would love to go read, get your book today.
And the link is going to be in the description below as well for that one.
Exactly.
These were all of our hot topics, but make sure to like, follow, subscribe, check the links in the description below, and we'll see you on the next episode. For Kylie Jenner, that's for you. Next time we're in LA, I'll have to get you some roses. Not like the ones Travis Scott did. Pow, pow. 2 for 1, just like Alec Baldwin. You know, Dr. Ross, I don't want to hang on for a little bit longer, but I think we might be related to Diana Ross.
He's not wrong.
Dirty Diana.